dump truck. Off to get some sawdust. Made it back with my load of sawdust. Nice load. And didn't film any along the way, just a little bit. But I need to fix the transmission cover. Because I put a different transmission in it, the gear shifter is set way far back, so I have to modify the cover for it. And there's a lot of noise and heat and sounds that come out of that hole, so before I drive it again I'll definitely have to fix that. But no major issues. Good oil pressure, good water temperature, it charged good, all the gauges worked real good on it. A couple little drips out of just a couple little drips here and there, nothing major. I'm tickled. First load went great. Alright, first trip after a couple miles. That was not too bad a trip. I think it's, well, I don't know how many miles it is. It's not too far though. And don't know. Okay. Let's see here. Down there. That is the motor for the brake booster. There's some gaskets in there. I tried snugging up on them bolts, but it seems to have a little drip on it. There was another little drip.
Hey, Dad.
Hiya, bud. But not bad for a motor I knew nothing about and bought from a salvage yard, and a truck that I built from 2 frame rails. And the coolant is a little bit low. Oh no, it's right below the sight glass. Not bad. It ran great. I was really surprised about how good it ran. Oil is okay. Where it was when I started. Might be down just a touch. But. So those are the only 2 drips that I noticed.
I
don't know. Yes.
No, that one was because named it that.
And a load of sawdust.
So